In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to your Wix website. Whether you're setting up a new online store or just updating your payment methods, integrating Square into your Wix site can streamline your checkout process and ensure smooth transactions for your customers. So let's dive right in. First, we start by going to the main dashboard of your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, make sure you do so. Once you're on the home page, navigate over to the sidebar where you'll find various options to manage your site. Look for the Settings tab on this sidebar and click on it. This is where you control a lot of the behind-the-scenes functionalities of your website, and it's the key to integrating with payment systems like Square. After clicking on Settings, you'll see a new range of options. Focus your attention on the Accept Payments option. Click on that, which will redirect you to the payment settings of your site. This section lists payment providers and allows you to manage how customers pay you. It's an essential area if you're involved in e-commerce or any type of online sales. In the Accept Payments section, you need to locate Square from the list of available payment providers. When you find Square, you'll see a Connect button next to it. Clicking this button initiates the setup process. Now, be prepared because you're about to be redirected. When you click Connect, it will whisk you away to a new page where you'll be prompted to log into your Square account. This step is crucial because it links your Square account to your Wix store, enabling you to accept and process payments seamlessly. If you don't have a Square account yet, this would be a good time to set one up. It's important to ensure that you've entered the correct login details to avoid any issues during the connection process. Once you've logged into your Square account, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This process is usually straightforward, and it might ask you to confirm permissions for Wix to interact with your Square account. Make sure you agree to these permissions so that the integration can be completed successfully. And there you have it. You've connected Square to your Wix website. Now your customers can make payments smoothly using Square, giving you a reliable and efficient method to handle transactions. Remember, always double-check your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. And if you run into any issues, Wix's support and forums can be great resources. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.